Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Dear students, welcome to the video session of Cantor Publisher. Students, today we will learn Mathematics 8 Chapter 3 Lecture number 11. For this purpose, you must have these books, Mathematics 8, Summer Pack 8 and Resource Pack for grade 8. We will learn the main content from the textbook, and from the summer pack we will learn the content relevant to our today's lesson, but the resource pack is for the guidance of your parents and teachers. There is complete methodology given in this resource pack that how to teach you through activities and real life examples. Students, now come to the book. Unit 3, this is about number systems. In topic 3.1, we have done number system. There are 4 kinds of number system which we have done in this topic. These are decimal numbers, binary numbers, and numbers with base 5, and at the end octal number system. After this topic, in topic 3.2, we have started convergence. Students, now come to the today's topic. Our today's topic is convergence part 9. Part 9 means this is our 9th lecture on this topic. We will discuss only one SLO in this lecture. SLO means student learning outcomes. Multiplication of numbers with base 5. Multiplication of numbers with base 5 is similar to the multiplication of numbers with base 2 or base 10. We use only these 5 numbers in base 5, 3 and 4. Now come to the textbook page number 43. Multiplication. The procedure of multiplication is explained in the following example. Example number 12. Always read the statement carefully. Find the product. Product means multiplication of the following. In part 1, 3, 4 with base 5 multiply by 2, 3 with base 5. First of all, write these numbers in vertical form like this. First of all, we will take number 3 and multiply this digit with all the digits of first number. First, when we multiply 3 by 4, that is equal to 12. We cannot write 12 here. So, we will divide 12 by the base number, that is 5. 5 2s are 10. We will subtract 2 minus 0, that is 2. 2 is remainder and 2 is quotient. We will write remainder here and carry the quotient to the next column, or to the write the quotient above the number 3, that is 2, and circle it. So, when we multiply 3 by 3, that is equal to 9. So, we cannot write 9 plus add the number 2, that is equal to 11. We cannot write 11 in base 5 number system. So, again we will divide 11 by the base number 5. So, we have 5 2s are 10, that is equal to, when we subtract 10 from 11, we have 1 remainder. So, we will write remainder under the second column and carry the quotient to third column. Now, we will write the number 2 as it is on the left side of 1. So, we have 2 1 2 with base 5. Similarly, now come on the digit 2. in the second number. We will write the multiplication sign R0 under the 2 because this number is 20. Now, when we multiply 0 with all the digits, we have 0. We will write 0 or the multiplication sign in the first column in this portion. And then, so write 0 or multiplication sign, then multiply the digit 2 with all the digits of the first number. So we have 4 2s are 8. So 8 is not in base 5 number system. So we again divide 8 by base number, that is 5. So 5 ones are 5, remainder is 3. So we write the remainder and carry the quotient, that is 1. Now multiply 2 by 3 and add 1. 2 3s are 6. 6 plus 1, that is equal to 7. Again 7, we cannot write 7 in base 5 number system. So we have 7 divided by 5, that is equal to 5 ones are 5. So we have 2. 1 is quotient and 2 is remainder. We write 2, that is remainder, and carry the quotient in next column. So then we have no number left to multiply. So we write 1 as it is here. Now we have 1 2 3 with base 5. Again add this portion. When we add this portion, 2 as it is and 3 plus 1, that is 4, 2 plus 1, 2 plus 2, that is 4, and 1 as it is. So we have 1 4 4 2 with base 5. This is the result of our multiplication of these two numbers. So thus 3 4 with base 5 multiply 2 3 with base 5, that is equal to 1 4 4 2 with base 5. Students, similarly you can multiply the second part, the numbers given in the second part. Always write the given numbers in vertical form like this, and then multiply each digits of second number with all the digits of first number. So first of all, when we multiplied this digit 3 with all the digits of first number 3 4 1, we have 2 1 2 3 with base 5. When we multiplied 2 with all the digits of first number, we have 1 2 3 2 and multiplication sign with base 5. At the end, when we multiplied 1, this digit 1 with all the digits of the first number, so we have 3 4 1 1. Why 2 cross signs here? Because this 1 is the third number, and so we put how many number of digits before 1? We have 2 number of digits before 1, so we put 2 cross or 2 multiplication sign are 2 zeros. So you can put here zeros instead of multiplication sign. So now add this portion. When we added this portion, we have 1 0 4 0 4 3 with base 5. So we have the result of 3 of the multiplication of 3 4 1 with base 5 multiplied by 1 2 3 with base 5, that is equal to 1 0 4 0 4 3 with base 5. Students, similarly you can solve the questions given in the exercise. Now come to the exercise, that is your homework. Textbook exercise 3E. This is your homework. Complete this homework on your notebooks and send the notebooks to your teacher for checking. Question number 3. Find the product of the following. So, first one, look at the first one. 1 4 1 1 with base 5 and then with base 5. So, we have 4 ones are 4 and 1 ones are 1, multiplication sign. Then 4 ones are 4, 1 ones are 1. So we have 4, all are with base 5. So we have 4 plus 1, 5. When we divide 5 with the base number 5, ones are 5, we have 0 remainder. So we will write 0 and then carry the 1 quotient. So we have 1 plus 1, that is 2. So we have the 204, that is your answer. Students, similarly you can solve other questions, other parts of this question number 3 by yourself. You should complete these questions on the notebook and send the notebook to your teacher for checking. Students, now come to the summer pack. Summer pack, page number 42. Question number 3. Find the product of the following. First of all, write these numbers in vertical form. 3, 2, 2 with base 5 and 1, 1 with base 5. We multiply 2 1 are 2, 2, 3 and the multiplication sign 2, 2, 3, all are with base 5, and then 2 plus 0 2, 2 2 4, 3 plus 2 5, 5 remainder is 0, so 1 we carry, and then 3 plus 1, that is equal to 4. So we have 4042, that is your answer of the multiplication 3 2 2 with base 5 and 1 1 with base 5. Similarly, you can complete the solution of other parts and at the end send your summer pack to your teacher for checking. Students, what we have done today, let's revise. We have done convergence part 9. Our topic was multiplication of numbers with base 5. Students, I hope you understand and enjoyed our today's lesson. If you have questions and suggestions, please write us at mathematics@kenterpublisher.com. Thank you very much. Inshallah, we will see in our next class with new lesson. Allah Hafiz.